Hey there. Are you tired of feeling like you're being taken for a ride by your car insurance rates? Well, you're not alone. But if you happen to live in the Golden State, your budget is probably getting hit pretty hard by inflation and those ever-rising costs. According to the Insurance Information Institute, California has some of the highest car insurance rates in the country, with annual premiums that often exceed $2,000. But don't lose hope. In this video, we'll give you the inside scoop on how to score some seriously cheap car insurance in California. We'll be sharing insider secrets for how to get the cheapest auto insurance rates in California based on the most up-to-date insider information available. By following the expert advice coming up in this video, you'll be able to breathe a sigh of relief as you watch your savings grow. Don't settle for overpaying for your car insurance any longer. Say goodbye to those sky-high premiums and hello to a little extra cash in your pocket. Let's get started. California, the land of beaches, palm trees, and sky-high living costs. If you're a California resident, you know all too well that living in the Golden State can come with a hefty price tag. But what you may not know is that finding affordable car insurance doesn't have to be a nightmare. In fact, we've done the heavy lifting for you by analyzing rates from some of the largest auto insurers in California to uncover the most cost-effective options. That's right, we've crunched the numbers and identified the top players in the game. All right, time to kick things off with car insurance rates. Let's take a look at the lowest level of coverage in California, liability-only car insurance. When it comes to providing the cheapest liability auto insurance coverage, Geico is the undisputed champ, charging only $45 a month. Their rates consistently beat out the competition, making them an excellent option for drivers of all ages. Progressive comes in second, offering liability coverage for just $48 a month, and USAA is just $1 more. But USAA is only an option if you have a family member in the military. Keep in mind, this is just a few examples. At FreeAdvice.com, you can easily find the cheapest auto insurance rates in your area without making phone calls or sending emails. Simply enter your zip code into our quote generator and we'll unlock the lowest quotes from the best providers near you. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of our free search tool and start saving on your car insurance today. When it comes to car insurance options in California, the possibilities are endless. As a driver in California, you can spend the smallest amount on car insurance and just hit the state minimum requirements to drive legally, but we suggest you choose full coverage so you can have complete financial protection. One crash could cost you thousands out of pocket if you don't have enough coverage. Saving a few bucks each month wouldn't be worth it. California's minimum required auto insurance coverage provides drivers with $15,000 in bodily injury per person, $30,000 per accident, and $5,000 in property damage coverage. While this may seem like enough, it only covers damages to the other person's car and their medical expenses if you're found at fault in an accident. On the other hand, full coverage insurance includes comprehensive and collision protection. With full coverage, your car will be protected from damage caused by theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and traffic accidents, regardless of who's at fault. Of course, full coverage costs more, but you get what you pay for, and we promise it's worth the extra investment. If you have a newer vehicle, you will want full coverage to help pay for damages and repairs. Plus, it's important to note here that if you take out a loan to finance your car or if you lease a vehicle, lenders usually will require you to have full coverage car insurance. Let's take a look at full coverage auto insurance rates in California to see which companies offer the most affordable options. If you know you want complete coverage, but you're worried about your budget, we suggest you check out Geico. Aside from USAA, which only offers coverage to military members and their families, Geico offers full coverage for just $80 per month in California. State Farm isn't far behind, with full coverage rates averaging $86 monthly, and Travelers is an affordable option too, with monthly full coverage rates at just under $100. Keep in mind that car insurance rates vary based on your driving record, credit score, age, and many other factors. Because of this, it's important to compare quotes from multiple companies to see which is the best and most affordable for you. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote tool. Our site makes it easy to compare quotes from top car insurance companies. Just enter your zip code and you can see which companies offer the best rates based on your specific information. You might be wondering, are California auto insurance rates going to be increasing soon? What's the forecast for car insurance costs? Well, good news. Car insurance is expected to increase by less than 1% over the next year, thanks to California's tight control over insurance rate increases. However, starting January 1st of 2025, the minimum required liability coverage in California will increase to 30-60-15 due to a bill passed by the state legislature. This means that drivers with minimum coverage will likely have to pay about 16% more for car insurance, which works out to be an extra $8 to $20 per month. Currently, California's minimum coverage requirements, $1535, are some of the lowest in the country, with only 3 other states having the same or lower limits. With the upcoming change, California will have one of the top 10 highest liability requirements in the country, putting it in the top 8 states for the most expensive car insurance costs in the U.S. Now is a perfect time to discuss how to save money on that coverage. So, how can you get cheap auto insurance in California? You can easily by shopping around and comparing quotes from multiple insurance providers. This is truly the only way you can have confidence you got the most affordable car insurance in California. With rates varying drastically between companies, it's important to research and compare prices to actually get the best deal. To compare quotes, start by deciding on the coverage you need and the deductible you can afford. Then visit FreeAdvice.com. By simply typing in your zip code, you can find and compare quotes from several different companies in no time. When deciding on a car insurance company, remember to research discounts you may qualify for, such as some of the big ones like Safe Driver, New Vehicle, and Multi-Policy. With higher limit minimum coverage requirements coming to California in 2025, it's more important than ever to get locked in at the lowest rates. Just remember, cheap car insurance does not always provide the best coverage, so be sure to balance affordability with quality. Phew, that was a lot of information already for this video, but don't leave just yet. I've got some juicy insider tips that'll help you score some seriously affordable car insurance, even in California, even if you aren't in the low-cost insurance bracket. If you have a not-so-great driving history, don't lose hope. The California Automobile Assigned Risk Plan connects high-risk drivers with insurance companies that will cover them. Additionally, individuals with lower incomes may qualify for California's low-cost auto insurance program, which has several coverage options. You just need a current California driver's license, a car worth $25,000 or less, and an income of no more than 250% of the federal poverty level. In 2021, the income limit was $32,200 per person. Plus, the program's website makes it easy to determine income cutoffs for larger households. And on the site, you can use the rate calculator and search tool to find participating insurance plans. It's important for low-income and high-risk drivers in California to know they have affordable options when it comes to car insurance. And remember, FreeAdvice.com has a car insurance comparison tool to help you find the best prices in California and anywhere else in the U.S. you might be driving. Take advantage of it now and start saving money on car insurance today. Thanks for tuning in and learning all about how to get cheap car insurance in California. With the tips and tools we've shared with you today, you can be well on your way to saving money on your auto insurance premiums. Remember to shop around and compare quotes from different providers. Take advantage of discounts, and if you qualify, remember considering alternative savings opportunities provided by the California Automobile Assigned Risk Plan and the low-cost auto insurance program. If you're looking for a guide to help you through the maze of car insurance coverage options that can also save you some serious dough, look no further than FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code to get quotes from multiple respected insurance companies. And hey, if you want insider secrets to finding the best deals and best providers out there, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Whether you're in California or not, we've got you covered with our weekly videos. Like our video on how to get cheap car insurance quotes on your phone. It'll help you find cheap quotes in no time, so be sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by giving it a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with other California drivers who would benefit from finding affordable coverage. Who wouldn't want to save a buck or two in California? Remember, with a little effort and research, you can find affordable, reliable car insurance coverage that fits your budget and protects you on the road. Drive safely, and see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.